These are absolutely stunning. So this is the one from Amazon. But first time opening it, so I don't know much about it. I think this was around the £25 mark. Got a shoehorn in it. There's a shoehorn. This is the unit. Oh, look at that. Cute little love art. So yeah, this one goes up the boot instead of out of the boot. So you can actually see that's more suitable for the boots. What else do we get in this box? We get... Oh yeah, so these go on the shoe here, so you can actually like stretch out certain parts. So say if you've got bunions is a common issue, or you've got a part of the shoe that generally rubs, they can actually stretch out different ones. I'll put them on later and see how it works. You get a nice little bag to keep it in, which is good to have in the wardrobe, and a set of instructions. So yeah, I've been waiting to get this because I really want to wear these boots, but my right one is just too tight to wear for more than an hour without feels, you know, the pain of nice shoes. So yeah, let's get the boots and look. So they're the bunion plugs. This is quite cool. This goes on the front, which raises the inside a little bit as well. So myself, I need specific insoles because I suffer from plantar fasciitis, and a lot of the shoes that I have, especially with me being a size 8 to 9 in the UK size anyway, don't allow for me to have these in, so it'd be really good that I can actually raise this bit as well inside the boot. The length is generally fine, but it's the width on my right foot that I struggle with, and also if I need to put the insoles in, that obviously takes more room up. I suppose other people are very similar. If you want to wear thick socks, obviously that'll make it a bit more snug and difficult to wear. So I'm hoping this will open some doors to new shoe styles. These particular boots that I've got, I've been wanting them for about 20 years. I did have a pair similar, they was unisex because my feet were too big. So I'm going to get the boots out and put this in, and then we'll see how it adjusts and go. Actually, see how it adjusts from the outside. So it says you turn it right. Ah yeah, that makes that bit wider. And then this knob, what does that do? That pushes that bit out. So that's the lengthener, and then that's the width one. So it says to put it in so it's snug, and then tighten 2 more times on the width and 2 more times on the length. 2 to 3 times. I'm not going to put the bunion ones in because I don't suffer with that. I'd rather see how it goes and see if they fit better. So yeah, these are the boots. These are the babies that I've been wanting for so long. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at them. I'm sorry, I'm not a big shoe lover, but these are absolutely stunning. Look at them. So you can imagine how upset I was that the right one didn't fit. And they come. So I'm going to get them out the box, put the shoe inset in and see if it actually works. So I'm just going to work on the right foot because the left foot's fine. So these boots come with the zip, so I'll just make it easier for me to get the shoe stretcher inside there. Okay, it's in there. It's not that it was difficult to get in, it was just difficult to do whilst on the camera. So basically all we're doing now is tightening this up, and that makes it longer, so it takes up the boot, and then this one adjusts the width. So just keep tightening and tightening until it gets really tight, and then we'll go 2 to 3 more turns after that. I had to put it in first and then adjust it. Yeah, that looks nice and tight in there. It says leave 24 hours, and I'm going to try the inset thing afterwards. I'm going to see how it works first as it is, and then if I need the extra room for the insole or thicker socks, then I'll put that in and try it a different way. I'll let them sit for 24 hours, that's the recommended. And sorry, okay, you can just look at these gorgeous boots. I'm just so in love with them, can't wait to wear them. Right, I'll let you know how they feel on my foot. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!